Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're really just going to be playing. We're going to be playing around and seeing what we land up with. Because sometimes I just enjoy doing it. So, let me tell you what I've got here. Here on the side, I hope you can see, yeah, all the way down there, I've got some of my ball chain in some paint. Here I've cut up some tissue paper and I've got some swipe paint over there, and in here I've just got black paint which we're going to cover the canvas with, and I've just got my little mini blower just to help me cover the canvas with black. So let's start with that. Let's just move that out the way, and I actually think this paint's too thick to blow with a little mini blower. Maybe I should just use a brush thing. Where is it? Over there. I'll just use this big foam brush. This is just to cover the canvas with paint. And then we're going to swipe over it, and then we're going to do the ball chain over it. So I've put too much paint, I think. Yeah, I have. Okay, let me do the edges while I'm here, and while I've got all this paint on here, might as well. So I've put the camera on the other side and I've moved closer to the window, so I hope that it is better for you now this way. It's a little bit awkward for me now because I'm used to the camera being the other side of me, but anyway, you know what, let's see how this goes. So we're just going to take some of that off. Okay, that'll do. Right. Then I'm going to swipe over this with my swipe paint and some of this tissue paper. I'm just going to dip the tissue paper into the paint. And put it over. And swipe. Okay, we'll go again. Some more paint. This tissue paper is falling apart, but anyway, okay, let's go from there sort of. We'll go over like that. I just want to get some sort of a pattern or design in the background. That's all I'm trying to do. So, whatever. Just playing around like that. Sometimes it's nice to just, you know, not take everything so seriously in life. Just play around with your paints and just create something different. That's all. That's all I'm doing. Okay, that's fine. Like I said, I just wanted something to be visible in the background, which I now have. So I'm just going to have a look. I like that, so I'm not going to put too many of the chain pulls over it. That I like. So I'm only going to put the chain pulls where I don't really like it, you know. So we'll go here. Like that. Right. No, there really isn't much more that I want to do because I don't want to overdo it. Yeah. I'm not going to do any more because I like that up there. I like that up there. If I put another one there, it's just going to look silly, I think. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. I like that. Right, let me bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. Okay, so this is what I wanted, is something that has a little bit of a different background, you see. So there are some patterns in there and stuff which I like, and not much down there, but it's okay. There's something at the background there, and there. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, and then some pretty swipes with the ball chain, and I don't know which, and I don't know how, and I don't know what, but somewhere something has some silicone in it, and I can't picture where because it's doing that. I'm getting funny little cells pop up, so there must be silicone in something, which is annoying because I don't know where there isn't any silicone in anything that I know of. It is not bad. I like it. It's different. What do you think? It is different. Well, everybody, thank you very much for joining me today as we created this different painting. I think it's very cool. I like it. Please leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it or not. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll be back next weekend with another. So be sure to join me then. Bye.